The new XT5 is an upgraded replacement model with a wide architecture. Compared with the previous generation model, the body size has been comprehensively improved. The body length, width and height have been increased by 75 mm/54 mm/12 mm respectively, and the ground clearance has been increased by 14 mm. In terms of appearance, the front of the new car still uses Cadillac's classic shield-shaped air intake grille. The black grille is recessed and surrounded by sharp lines, giving it a strong three-dimensional effect. The engine compartment cover is equipped with a large number of raised ribs, which strengthens the car's muscular appearance. The car headlights have a split arrangement, in which the matrix headlight set consists of 9 lenses and 300 LED lamp housings. Looking from the side, the new car looks thinner due to the increase in body size, and the waistline is also very simple. The front and rear wheel eyebrows adopt a slightly raised wide body design, giving it a strong sense of sportiness. The new car is equipped with the widest 265/45 R21 tires in its class. The front wheels are also equipped with the same red Brembo 6-piston brake calipers as the Escalade. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of the new XT5 are 4888/1957/1694 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,863 mm, which is significantly improved compared to the size of the current model. Length, width and height are 4813/1903/1686 mm. Wheelbase is 2,857 mm. The shape of the rear of the car reflects the design of the front face. The taillight group also adopts fine lines, and in the middle, there is a full-length chrome-plated strip connected to the taillights on both sides. The rear of the car also uses Cadillac's unique diamond-cut line elements, making the rear of the car very distinctive with its three-dimensional and layered feel. The new car adopts an exhaust layout with 2 exhaust outlets on both sides to highlight its sporty features. In terms of interior, the new XT5 adopts a new family-style design language. The central control layout has been significantly changed, and the cockpit also incorporates design inspiration from luxury yachts. The 33-inch curved dual screen adopts an integrated seamless design, and the edge of the screen adopts 2.5D rounded corner technology to enhance the safety in the car. The back of the screen uses a specially developed liquid paint spraying process and formula based on magnesium, aluminum alloy surface to provide users with a silky touch. There is a brand logo welcome light on the back of the screen, and the details are full of luxury. The interior of the car is covered with a large area of genuine leather, and the details are surrounded by black painted panels and metal trim strips, highlighting the high-end feeling of the interior. The knob-type control keys in the control area in front of the armrest box are quite sensitive and are also equipped with a holding mechanism. The leather seats in the front and rear rows are completely inspired by the design inspiration of the EAMS chair, known as the Chair of the Century, and also achieve a complete integration of design and comfort. They adopt a 270 degrees wrap design that increases comfort by 20%. The front seats have 3-stage heating, ventilation and massage functions, while the rear seats have heating and one-touch electric recline functions, providing a luxurious experience for front and rear passengers. It is also worth mentioning that the new XT5 is the only 4-wheel drive model in its class with a completely flat rear floor. The new XT5 is equipped with an AKG studio-grade sound system, including 15 speakers and a 1000-watt 10-channel amplifier. The AKG sound is also equipped with ESE engine sound enhancement technology, which combines different driving modes to make driving more enjoyable. In terms of safety configuration, the new XT5 series comes standard with 18 active safety sensors that can provide 360 degrees high-definition panoramic images, HoLCA intelligent lane centering assistant, AEB automatic emergency braking and patented 3D haptic safety reminder vibration seats, etc. Up to 22 active safety configurations include all-round arrangements for the front, rear, sides and the entire vehicle to ensure driving safety. The new car uses 10 horizontal and 6 longitudinal steel beams to form a lattice-type body structure. A large amount of ultra-high-strength steel, hot-formed steel and high-strength steel are used in the entire application. The vehicle exceeds 86.9%, and the collision load transfer path forms a safe and reliable body for passengers. In terms of power, The new XT5 is equipped with a 2.0T turbocharged engine and a 48V mild hybrid system with a maximum power of 174 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 350 Nm, compatible and available with 9-speed manual transmission.